Hey, Bernsey.
What's up, Bobby? How you doing today?
I'm tired because I drove all the way to San Bernardino after I pulled the radiator out of Tom's car and waited for Gary to fix it and came back.
Nice.
The drive sucks. Anyway, so peak tank is up here. It's empty. Let's pull this cap off, see how... I mean, we got coolant all over everywhere, so it proceeded to vomit uncontrollably yesterday because it kicked the belts after when Kyle left. Oh yeah, that's empty. Fun. All right, well, let's fill her up first, and then we'll do the belts quick and
See what happens?
see what we got.
What?
I said, listen here, bitch. Talking to Bernsey. See how I treat people I love?
Yep. So, hey,
This monkey found us a belt.
finally found a belt.
I'm glad we stock stuff.
Yep.
Oh, what did we call it yesterday?
Bob.
Bob. Box
We
of
went-
belts.
Yeah, we went to Bob.
Yep, Kyle. That came out of Bob.
Yep. Found a belt.
That sounds dirty.
I will keep the cover so that way you know what size it is, just in case this ever happens again, which, God, we hope not.
Yep.
I got it nice and tight. I'm getting ready.
I like tight.
You like tight?
I like tight.
I bet you do. Getting ready. We put coolant back in the radiator, which we did a quick video. I think we're almost at 2.5 gallons.
That sounds about right.
I thought we were doing the AC belt too.
Well,
we are, but let's get it lit and burped first, then we'll
yeah.
deal with that.
so I'm gonna fire it up. What do we call it?
We're gonna get lit!
And burp the system. So that's what we're doing right now. What do we say, guys?
Doses!
Senor Burns, I just put another 1/4 of a gallon in.
Okay.
Fire in the hole, baby. It was kind of hot yesterday, so the fuel was fine. Give it a couple pumps. You know, 3 pumps, like your usual. So far, so good. Huh?
It's got a heater core, right?
I believe so. Burp. I'll let it overflow and everything, make sure we're good. Then we'll top it off once it's up to temperature. And then we'll go from there.
All right, guys. Got the cooling system all bled, capped off, good to go. Reservoir's a little topped off there. Sad, we'll go this side. Temp.
Oh, you're filming?
Yes, sir.
Can you borrow a jump box
Yeah.
like this?
Give me about 2 seconds. Temp gauge said 176. Stayed there. Got it all burped. Like I said, got a fresh belt on this side. Start setting up a belt for the AC compressor. Unfortunately, the belts we have, the smallest one's too big, so I'll have to have the boss man get one from AutoZone and get that on. In a little bit, he's gonna do a couple other things. But yeah. All right, guys. Have an update here in a little bit.
That took absolutely forever. But found a belt that fits. Got it here. Got it on. As you can see, the compressor's engaged. The AC is on. It's actually cool. You can hear it. See? Working air. Wow. Awesome.